Get ready to embark on a journey back in time. Welcome to the Durango-Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad, where the past comes alive and adventure awaits at every turn. Well, good morning. Pretty early from the Roaming Russells. Earlier than I normally get up, at least. We have hopefully a pretty exciting day today. We're going on the Durango-Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad. It's a little bit early this morning because we have a lot of packing to do. So layers are going to be key today. It's only currently 34 degrees outside, so we need to bundle up because we're going to freeze today because we booked tickets in the open air gondola so that we could have awesome views while we're on the railroad, but we're gonna freeze. We're going, guys! It's finally time! The Durango-Silverton Railroad has been running continuously since 1882, originally built to haul silver and gold from the mountains. Today, it offers one of the most breathtaking train journeys you can take, winding through the heart of the Colorado Rockies. When we arrived at the station, we were greeted by a crowd of people eager to see the train off. And guess what? It's the head engineer's last ride before retirement after over 30 years with the railroad. Talk about a special day. As we took off, the scenery was absolutely stunning. We were blown away by the magical views, and honestly, we thought we might have overpacked on our clothing. We're dropping people off to go hike. Have fun! The open-air gondola gave us amazing views, but about 45 minutes before arriving in Silverton, the clouds rolled in and it started getting a little bit chilly. Suddenly, we were glad we had all those layers that we'd packed. Woohoo! I think so.
First time since October this train's been up here.
Everybody's excited to see us.
I don't think they care about us.
Maybe.
It's the train they're excited for.
Okay, so we just got to Silverton, and maybe 45 minutes ago, it got cloudy an hour, and it's really cold up here.
Significantly colder.
Way colder. It is windy.
2 coats, a sweatshirt, t-shirt.
Seriously,
gloves.
not 2 hours ago, Jason said, I think we overpacked. And now I'm like, I'm so glad we brought everything we did.
Yes.
Has the gondola been worth it?
Yes. Yes. The views are worth it.
Yes, this open gondola is really cool, and it's a great way of seeing everything. So now to explore Silverton.
All right.
Oh my goodness, look at this town.
The mountains are
This is so cool.
unbelievable.
Wow. This town is crazy. This is so cool. It's cold.
Well, the storm's moving in.
So heading back to the train. We have had about 2 hours in Silverton, and it's a cute little town.
We need more.
Yes, and now it looks like we're heading into clouds for the 3.5-ish hour ride back into Durango. We just witnessed a proposal. That was cool.
Makes me look like an asshat.
Silverton was more than we could have hoped for. It's a town that's kept its Old West feel and seems tough to live in, but it's got so much charm and character. We definitely want to come back and explore more and do some epic hikes. After boarding the train to head back to Durango, the temperature dropped even more, and we were super happy to have those extra layers and a blanket with us. It was really cold. Biggest downside of this trip, the exhaust from the engine started blowing right back at us, and we ended up with a bit of a headache on the 3.5-hour ride back to Durango. But you know what? We still loved the train, and we were so glad we booked the open-air gondola. If we were to do it again, we'd ride up on the east side of the gondola on the way up and take a bus back down from Silverton. But this was an unforgettable experience. There's been so many people waving at us, and I wave every time. This thing is putting off some heat. Yeah. The takeaway from the trip: sometimes the extra effort and a few layers make all the difference. Thanks for joining us on this epic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more of our adventures. Stay tuned, there's always more to explore.